Colombo.
So you guys do Malay as well?
Yeah, Malay.
You guys can take care of Malay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
There's quite a fair bit of shipments.
Actually, our company established. Did you see our website, right?
Oh yes, yeah, you sent me a website there as well.
Yeah.
I went to take a look as well.
Yeah, we have operation at moment and Asia Pacific region, all the country. And also our mother concern is the SBS Group Japan.
SBS Group Japan.
Japan is acquired by Atlas Logistics. They have a operation in total 71 countries of the world.
I see.
Yeah.
So you guys part of I think there's an SBS group in Singapore as well, right?
SBS Group in also have in Singapore office.
Yeah, so I understand that there's a SBS group in Singapore as well. So
and Bangladesh, India.